Hey people, how are we doing today? Time for a brand new tag-along video. But where am I today? I'm in Fairfield, Glade, Tennessee. Yeah, a nice little community. And what trail am I on? I'm on the Seven Bridges Trail. Yeah. Sounds cool already? I'll tell you what. I'll give you a look at something. Are we ready to begin? Let's adjust that a little more. Are we ready? Yes, we are. Oh, we got nice little bugs around me. Now, I've never been on this trail, so it looks like it'd be very interesting. And I understand it makes a loop, and it's about 2 miles long. Of course, I won't keep you here all 2 miles. Just long enough to tell you what kind of conditions it is. It's nice and level right now. And this is supposed to be one of the easy trails. So, it's a beautiful day. We have temperatures in the 60s, possibly even 70s. It's only going to get better from here. And so far, so good. Take a look at this. Isn't this beautiful? This is the way it looks everywhere in Tennessee. Green, beautiful. Of course, now this looks well kept. Of course, now this is the Glade, so they'll keep things up better than nature will, and that's a fact. Yes. So how are we doing? One bad thing is there are bugs around here, and some of them are really pests. They like to investigate. You know, they're like little kids that want to know what's going on. What can you say? You can't just punish them because they want to learn. They want to learn what you're doing, where you are, why you're doing it. Except bugs don't ask. They don't ask at all. But this seems to be a really nice trail. I don't see much in the way of wildlife other than bugs. I would expect to see rabbits, squirrels, sometimes deer, and hopefully we won't run into a bear. And yes, there are bears around here, and cougars, and black panthers. I'm not afraid. Are you? Don't worry, I'll keep you safe. I say that now. Whew. Yeah. Don't worry, you're safe. It's me that's taking the challenge. Me that's putting myself out there. Where danger is my middle name. Bet you didn't know that. That's not really true. My name's not Danger. I think it's crazy. Definitely crazy. Who else but a crazy person would walk along talking to themselves in front of a camera? Boy, makes me wonder. Look around. Huh. It looks like the path goes this way. At least I hope it does. Yes. Seems about right. Going into the woods. Huh. I should have brought my map. He probably would have said, no, 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 not this way. Well, I'm committed to taking you on a trail. This is a nice walk, yeah. This is a nice workout. And hopefully, with this, I'll become healthier, wealthier, and wise. More challenging to go this way. Yes. Huh. That's a big rock. Oh, yes. Now, isn't this beautiful? This is my kind of walk. There's no cars blowing horns at you. There's no one yelling at you. There's just a nice quietness about this that says peace. Except for the bugs. Yes, I should be used to this by now. But, you know what it is. You can't prepare for everything. We do have a bridge right here. Now, how was that? I'll go for a little farther and say my usual, and then I'll continue. And if you don't hear from me, you'll know something went wrong. Eaten by a bear. A nice big grizzly bear. Or maybe even a candy bear. Oh. Walking on rocks is fun. And I said it in a nice way, not a mean way. Yeah. So I'll get right over here and I'll tell you that it's been fun. I gotta keep my eyes down because there's so many roots here. So I'll end it right here. So if you had a good time, if you enjoyed this video, let me know by giving me a thumbs up and a like, a share, and subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. So I will let you go for now, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.